Hey campers, when I say ding ding, you take a drink while I show you how to make green chili.
I see you're putting green chilies on this.
Bacon cheeseburgers inspired by the one and only CJ Frazier. So ding ding, let's go. Errands. Hey everyone, and welcome to the set. Right here is Nate, over there is Ethan, and right here, ladies and gentlemen, is Andy.
Me? Somebody wants to talk to me? Hello!
Ding ding. All right, hopefully I didn't burn this bacon like, well, you know.
Hey guys. Hey.
Looking pretty good. Ooh. Well, I am trying to be authentic. The bacon might be a little extra crispy. Ooh, it might be a lot extra crispy. Well, you guys, you know, it happens.
Happens to me all the time.
I'll save the best pieces for myself. Don't do anything with that bacon grease. We want that bacon grease for our burgers. You guys, we are using the famous Frazier method of flipping and smashing.
Famous Frazier technique.
So sometimes you don't have the parchment paper, so you stick your ball of meat on the griddle, let it cook for a minute, then you're gonna flip it. Because that part is cooked on top, you can smash and it won't stick because of the cooked part. So let's get the rest of these smashed. We're gonna sprinkle some seasonings on here. The first one we're gonna use is my favorite, whiskey burger. This is my favorite burger seasoning for any burgers. But we're also gonna use the Hetch green chili and cheddar seasoning. I honestly don't use this one a lot. It is open though. If you ever watch CJ's videos, you know he loves green chili.
He's real again,
dude.
The green chili.
The green chili.
So of course I had to go with one of the green chili recipes. Before I forget, ding ding, I haven't done this enough. I don't know, I'm not good at remembering these kinds of things. All right, let's check. Oh yes, look at that crust on that burger. Oh, that's gonna taste so good. Thank you, assistant.
Yep.
I almost forgot, one of the main parts of this burger that makes it CJ's burger really are the green chilies. A ding ding. You know, if you have to watch my video a few times to get some more drinks, that would be fine with me because, you know, you'd be helping me out and I'd be helping you out a little bit too, so. Win-win. I have this on low heat over here just to get these warmed up. I probably should start toasting some buns.
Nice buns, by the way.
Just a couple. See if I can do that part without burning those. These chilies might actually need a little bit warmer heat, so I'm gonna move them over here since I forgot about them. All right, what am I doing next? I was going to check my buns, okay. And then, oh, I was gonna put cheese on the burgers. I'm gonna put some pepper jack on the grown-up burgers. I love a little extra spice. Spice up your life. Spice Girls fans, anybody? No, just me? Okay. So was that 2000s? Was that 90s? I don't remember. It's the same time I was plucking out all my eyebrows that never grew back. So, you know, it was a good time. Life. Anyway. We're melting cheese. We're toasting buns. Let's take these off before they burn. Baby, burn. All right, are we ready for this? I think it's gonna be delicious. I've just never made a burger with these toppings before. Well, really, it's only one different topping than I've ever had. Now, the only thing I did different is I added a little bit of Cholula hot sauce to my ketchup because I thought that might add a yummy flavor to go with this burger instead of plain ketchup. I'm skipping mustard. Lettuce that we did shredded, not like finely shredded, but just a little bit shredded. I did green leaf lettuce. CJ also suggests thinly slicing the pickles, slicing them yourself so that you get crunchy all the way through. That's his theory.
CJ's famous pickles.
We're gonna go with that. I do love pickles on a burger. Okay, now we need a burger. I go with one of the pepper jack. Slide that right on top. We're going for a single here. Okay. Why is it lopsided? Oh, there's a pickle standing up. Okay. I don't know. We're just going with it here. Need some bacon. The slightly burnt bacon. I should have just said I did it on purpose because, you know, but I did not do it on purpose. So we're gonna put a little extra there. All right, now the last part we need are some green chilies. It smells like it's gonna taste good together. Now, CJ, do you think that this is enough green chilies?
Listen, you know what? More green chilies, not enough. Do better.
All right, I'm gonna add just a little bit more just because I wanna make sure we can taste them. And before we taste them, let's do a ding ding. Now this does look pretty dang delicious. Let's see if I can cut this without destroying it. All right, I think I did it. This looks so good. I'm very excited to try this. It's very drippy. It's the green chilies. I'm so glad I added the extra green chilies. This is seriously delicious. And I can't wait to finish it. All right, we did it. They're delicious. Thank you, CJ, for the delicious recipe. And ding ding.